guys, it was here. Okay, so by the way, I record this with my phone, so for better quality, actually, I use this phone. Okay, so back with me with the unboxing video. Yay! Okay, I just buy a new book. This book that I've been waiting to have it, and it's so hard to find it on online shop. Basically, it's easy, but gak bisa COD. So, ya aku belusukan di Shopee. Oops. Di toko orang. Dan I found it. Yay, tapi yang itu ada di mata aku dan itu belum nyampe. So there's one more book left. I already have two books in my hand. Scissor. My mom don't know about this. Don't know if I buy a new book, because if she know about this, she'll get mad at me, because she's not letting me to buy another book again, because I already have a lot of books. So yeah, the first one, I have to stay quiet. Ta-da! Oh my god. This is a romance classic book. Romance classical book. The title is The Grand Sophie. Actually, there's two other, like the other one, The Lady apa gitu, satu lagi pokoknya mirip kayak gini, with the same author. Once Upon a Romance. Okay, this is Jakala by Risa Saraswati, my favorite author. She is the best of the best, guys. I've been waiting a couple of months to buy this book. This book, aku lagi tunggu buku ini untuk arrive safe at home. Actually, guys, I want to buy apa namanya, Tarian Canting, because there's a song by Risa Saraswati called Aku dan Bumi. Oh, cantik menari di atas kain kelabu, tertulis dengan jenuh melebu kayak pilu. Yeah, this is really bad. Oh yeah, Risa Saraswati is also a singer. was. Dia udah gak yang aktif banget sama nyanyi lagi sekarang, tapi dulu dia punya band namanya itu Sarasvati, dan dia suka banget ngeband itu di Bandung. The place where when she was born. Yes, she's originally from Bandung, and till now she's still live in Bandung. And dia juga punya satu brand resto gitu, dia bilang cafe resto gitu. Namanya itu Junarisa Coffee. Aku pernah datang di satu outlet yang ada di Atrim Jalan, and aku nyobain beberapa minum karena waktu itu aku masih grand opening, dan pada saat itu baru tersedia minuman doang, belum makanannya. Jadi aku nyobain teh ala Ivana, pokoknya ada Ivana gitu, terus kopi ala Hendrik, terus ada kopi susu bukan, kopi susu papa. Oh my god, I don't remember. Dua lagi ini tuh ada Williamnya sama yang without any of versus friend. By the way, it have yes guys, see, did I correct it? Okay, there's 2 book. Yep. Oh guys, smells good, heavenly. Oh, this is literally heaven. Okay, here's the prologue. What's the name? Epilogue? No, it's not epilogue. Sinopsis. Kedatangan Sophie yang disebut-sebut sebagai gadis mungil, mandiri, dan tidak mencari gara-gara begitu mengikuti keluarga Om Bursley. Pertama, gadis itu pernah mencari gara-gara membuat salah. Pertama, gadis itu sama sekali tidak mungil, tinggi 175 cm. Kedua, tidak pernah mencari gara-gara. Mungkin perlu dipikir ulang, karena kedatangan gadis itu justru membuat gempar. Dia memberi para sepupu kecilnya hadiah seekor monyet, membawa anjing greyhound sebagai peliharaan, dan bertanya di mana dia bisa menyewa istal. What is istal? Untuk menampung kuda-kuda gagah miliknya. Sophie sendiri hanya perlu menghabiskan waktu sehari bersama keluarga adik ayahnya itu untuk tahu mereka semua terlibat dalam banyak masalah. Dari kisah percintaan para sepupunya yang rumit hingga utang piutang yang melilit. Sophie mungkin memang terlahir untuk menyelesaikan masalah, tapi cara yang digunakan selalu saja memancing skandal. Inilah yang membuat Charles, putra sulung Om Bursley, bertekad mencarikan suami secepatnya untuk Sophie demi menjauhkan gadis ini dari rumahnya. Namun, benarkah itu gadis yang dia inginkan? Sophie sangat eksentrik dan membuatmu jatuh cinta pada kepribadiannya. Saat membalik halaman terakhir, hatiku berbunga-bunga membayangkan kehidupan mereka selanjutnya. Jane Austen's World. Heyer menuliskan cerita yang detail dan kompleks yang membuatmu ikut berpikir dan ingin melintasi di dalamnya, daripada sekadar duduk dan menonton apa yang terjadi. A Journey of Books. Okay, sounds interesting. Ini udah di-translate deh guys. I believe ini udah di-translate. I thought it's going to be in English, but it's not. Ya, tapi oke lah. Oh, what is that? Oke. Oke, ini bukunya ada kuning-kuningnya and I love that karena dari kuning-kuning itu tuh kayak menciptakan wangi yang heaven. And there's also BTW ini tuh kayak apa ya? Oh. Oke guys, if you guys wanna know, enggak, aku bacain dulu sinopsis dari sini. Senjakala setiap orang punya perasaan yang berbeda tentang surat atau bulat merah yang menghiasi langit senja itu. Ada yang menganggapnya indah, tenang, bahkan romantis seperti yang sekarang kian populer disajikan para penyair. Namun bagiku, Peter, Hans, Hendrik, William, dan Jansen saat itu artinya tidak boleh kemana-mana. Kami akan berada di kamar dan aku bisa bercerita tentang hal mengerikan apa saja yang bisa muncul di waktu senja. Anak-anak itu ketakutan. Semakin besar rasa takut mereka, makin semangat aku bercerita. Kumpulkan kisah-kisah paling menyeramkan dari makhluk yang bermunculan pada jelang malam itu di buku ini. Selamat mengikuti senjakala, sisi lain dari indah gurat senja. Oke guys, kata-kata paling suka aku dari bukunya Lisa itu, dia selalu menggunakan kata-kata yang enak banget ketika kita baca dan nggak kompleks, dan dia selalu bikin si bukunya ini tuh dia selalu bikin pembaca ini for example myself itu bisa mengikuti ceritanya dan ikut terjun ke dalam ceritanya. Jadi kayak kita bisa membayangkan apa yang sedang terjadi di kisah ini, misalkan gini. I can feel that gitu. I always love that. Dan dia selalu membungkus kisah-kisahnya dengan absolute cinema. You guys know that means? Yeah, I will put that. I'm so excited, guys, to read this too. And this is gonna be my new collection. Yay! 6-7. Do you know that's that? 6-7. Dan aku selalu suka banget sama cover dari setiap bukunya Lisa. Dan aku selalu suka sama cover OG-nya. Tapi aku kayak misalkan yang PTCS, yang OG-nya itu much better than the new one. And the new one kan dibungkus warna putih. And for me, the OG cover much better than the new one. Actually, pas lagi beli buku ini sama Sunya Reori yang bakal itu nanti, aku tuh pengen beli tenung. Cuman aku ngambil canting karena daripada tenung aku lebih tertarik sama canting. Kenapa? Karena dari aku kemarin ngeliat sinopsisnya itu tuh tentang seorang penari gitu. That's why the name is Tarian Canting. Dan aku penasaran sama kayak kisah si canting ini. Dan aku pengen ikut terjun langsung ke ceritanya. Dan I want to know what's happening to her. Kayak what was the reason blah 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 blah. Yeah. And I also want to buy this a book that Riza's made a few years ago. Ini kayak kumpulan pen or puisi, I don't know, something like that. Itu judulnya itu Catatan Hitam. I want to buy that, but I'm not a millionaire, I'm not a billionaire, I don't have enough money to buy all the book, and I have to save my money. Yes, so that's all. I'm so excited to read this and this. My new collection. Yay! I'm so excited. Anyway guys, I get tan a bit. Kayak di kamera tuh gak kelihatan, cuma kalau di RL sumpah ini tan skin guys. I swear for the rest of my life ini tan skin. Tapi kenapa di kamera tuh kayak gak terlalu kelihatan, tapi ini tan skin guys, sumpah I swear. I get tan because aku berenang gitu di outdoor. That's why I hate swimming di outdoor. Then I have to jatuh. Nggak nyampe. My baby. Actually, I love the set of this, guys. Oh my god, so aesthetic, especially this one. I love it. Oh my god, guys, a classic romance. I think I'm gonna like this book. Yes, I'm so excited to read it. Yay. So then I'm going to continue to part selanjutnya when I unboxing buku Sunyaruri. Yes, and so then I'm going to end this vlog and continue to this Sunyaruri, and I'm going to edit it too. Maybe this time I'm not going to not edit, tapi I'll edit a bit to make it more interesting. Yang ada nonton juga sih cuma kayak udah, tapi nggak tahu sih kalau misalnya mood bakal diedit, kalau nggak mood ya udah langsung upload. Yay. Okay, see you di unboxing Sunyaruri. Hey, I'm back. Okay, first of all, this is like 2 weeks later after the first video. Yeah, because paketnya aku titipin di rumahnya Nike. Yap. Dan aku habis sholat tarawih guys. And it's 8:46. Yep. Udah kelar sholat tarawih teman-teman. Okay. So this is so black. This is the book that I bought. Right? And 2. And I'm going to unboxing the 3rd book. Jadi aku baru ngambil gitu guys. Sebenernya aku kayak udah pengen ngambil dari kemarin cuma lupa. And guys, I promise ini adminnya baik banget. Admin yang ini. Jadi aku bakal tampilin chatnya di sini. Oke, kayak gitu. Karena aku kayak bener-bener nyari banget buku ini. Actually, I already want to buy this book since a while, like around 2019. Tapi at that time, aku tuh lebih fokus sama buku yang kita CS, and it's a bit hard to find the old cover, not the new cover, cover, because the new cover is not that interesting as the old cover. Like, yes, this is the first video I'm going to edit it, because all of my video that I made before, I never edited, just like I recorded and I posted. Because for me, yaudah, yang ada aja. But now I'm going to be different to the NBA way. Semoga pencerahan bagus ya, because aku pakai kayak cahaya gitu, ada above me. This, yeah. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay. What is it? Okay. This is the price, guys. It's 77,000 rupiah. Actually, I really want to buy the Canting, Tarian Canting. Oh my god, the cover is so interesting. Like, oh my god, guys, so beautiful. I always love Risa Saraswati novels cover, because the original cover is so aesthetic. I promise. Cover originalnya sebelum kayak jadi ganti gitu, jadi cover baru, itu sumpah aesthetic banget. Especially Hendrik. I love Hendrik's old cover so much. And it's my papa. If y'all hear noisy voices from Audrey's room, ini juga ada, guys. Ini BTW ini ada cover barunya. Dan aku buat nyari cover lama itu udah susah banget, jujur. Dan itu pas aku lagi ke Gramedia, aku kan pengen nyari buku siapa ya? Ini sih buku usaha Peter, itu nggak ada yang cover baru dan aku nggak suka. Full of white. Tada! Kebalik. Guys, sumpah, I swear for the rest of my life, semua buku karyanya Teresa itu punya bau buku yang khas banget. Sumpah, baunya enak banget, jujur. Oh my god, guys, y'all have to see the bookmark. So aesthetic. It's actually from the front. The woman is Risa, right? Yes. Dan ini ada filmnya, guys. dengan judul yang sama, judul Sunyaruri. Sunyaruri itu artinya tuh sunyi, kalau nggak salah. Waktu itu Terita pernah ngomong gitu. I believe these two is Marian and Samantha. I guess so. I don't know. But Samantha has blonde hair. And this one has... Oh yeah. I believe this one is Marian and I'm not sure. Who's that? Is it Samantha? This is Jansen. This is Will and his violin. This is... I'm scared if I'm going to wrong name, but I believe this is Peter and this is Hans and this is Hendrik. I'm looking from here. This is different, guys. Ini Gerbang Dialog Danur and ini Sunyaruri. And this is Risa when she was kid, when she was in kindergarten, primary school, elementary school. What's the difference between elementary school and primary school? Whatever. This is Jensen. This is Hendrik. This is Hans, William, Peter. Right? Yes, right. Yes, right. And I don't know which one is Hendrik and which one is Hans. Oh, okay. Ya benar. Berarti ini Hendrik, the brown one, the brown hair, the brown hair one, the brunette one, and this is Hans. He has light brown hair, but based on this picture, he has blonde hair. I don't know which one is right, but yeah. So that's it, guys. Oh yeah, I want to read the sinopsis. Kemana perginya mereka? Sahabat-sahabat hantu kecilku yang lagi-lagi sibuk mencari teman baru. Namun, sesal terasa begitu menyesakkan dada. Tatkala aku ingat lagi bahwa mereka semua ini karena ulahku. Seandainya tak kuceritakan bagaimana kisah kami, seandainya tak kugambarkan sosok Peter yang jahil, William yang bijaksana, Hans dan Hendrik yang periang, Jansen yang menggemaskan, pasti kalian tak akan memanggil nama mereka di tiap malam dan berharap datang dalam mimpi yang indah. Sunyaruri adalah novel sequel dari Gerbang Dialog Danur dan Mada Risa Saraswati. Yes. Yes, as always dari Bukune, terbitan Bukune. So, that's it, guys. Okay, I'm going to ngurutin dari yang paling ini. Dari kalau dari kisah dari ininya. Berarti yang pertama itu Gerbang Dialog Danur, and after that we have Mada. Mada, and then after that Sunyaruri. Okay, like this. And then I'm going to put Peter first because he's still here, and he is also the older the older goals, the older. Jadi the and between his other friends. Yeah, okay. Peter, and then William. Yeah, William. Ganteng banget, guys. Oh my god. Then guys, if y'all read William's novel, sumpah, nah apa ya, sedih itu beda karena he's the most smart, clever, whatever. Dia pintar banget, bijak banget. And after that, I'm going to put Hendrik. And after that, Hans. And then after that, Jensen. I love Jensen's story. Aku sampai apal sama kisahnya Jensen. From each chapter. Oke, aku bisa nyebut apa ya, bisa ngejelasin detail dari part dari bab 1 sampai bab akhir. Bab yang paling aku kesalin itu bab mau akhir ya, belum akhir-akhir banget, yang pas dimana Joshua itu ngasih racun, kayak kasih makanan bingkisan gitu, ternyata isi itu racun. Terus untungnya Jensen itu masih selamat, cuma muntah-muntah. Cuman spoiler alert, waktu itu Jensen tuh punya kayak puppy ya, dan his puppy's dead because racun itu. What the hell? Bentar. No guys, I have to put Senjakala first after Sunyaruri. Damn. Okay, there you go. And after that, I'm going to put Marianne, Samantha, and last but not least, Ivana Fante. I thought, nah Ivana tuh dibaca kan namanya kan Ivan, tulisannya Ivana Fantejik. I thought cara bacanya Tejik gitu tuh Tejik, but I was wrong. Dibacanya itu Fande, D. Yes, D. Yeah. Itu kayak cara bacanya gitu ternyata. I was wrong all the time. So here you go guys, this all is my Saraswati books collection. Ta-da! Oops. Ta-da! Should I take a picture of it? Yeah, there you go guys. This all, should I give it the, yeah, there you go guys. Okay. Yeah, these are my this is this book collection. And this is also the book that I bought with these two. Well, aku belum baca sampai baru segini, baru segitu. And there's still a lot of chapter that I've not done yet. Tapi so far, I think I might like this book because I don't know. The story is so interesting, and maybe there's a plot twist in the middle of the story, but I don't know. I didn't even read half of the book yet. I'm just read the first chapter. Sorry. That's all. There you go, guys. So those are my books. Yes. So that's it. Bye bye. See you on my next video or vlog. Ciao ragazzi.